So we've reached the end of our holiday, and I thought I would leave another little video about what would happen if your child has gone on holiday with your ex and you've agreed for that and you've agreed for a time and date for them to come back, but your partner sends you a text message and says, "I'm not bringing them back, I'm going to stay here." Now, as a parent with parental responsibility, you've consented for that child to go abroad, and you've also provided that consent on the condition that they are then brought back. So the child abduction element of this scenario is triggered and happens at the point the other parent breaches the agreement between you. So if you've agreed for them to come back on a Sunday, for instance, and that parent does not get the child on the flight on that Sunday, that is then child abduction. So what you would need to do in that situation is get advice from a solicitor immediately, because there are some countries that the UK have an agreement with, so it's easier to get them back, but there are other countries where there isn't that agreement, and it's really difficult to get the child back. So you need to act promptly, because if you don't act promptly, in some circumstances that is seen as you almost consenting to that child remaining in that country. So the takeaway from this is to act promptly in the event that an agreement is breached by your ex, and get legal advice immediately, because it's likely that if they aren't returned, that you'd need to make an emergency application to the court.